Welcome back, continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at diaper rash.
A diaper rash is a common condition that can make a baby's skin sore, red, scaly, and tender. At least 90% of all babies get a diaper rash at some point. It can develop anywhere on the body.
Normally is exposure to urine or feces is a normal trigger for diaper rash. So if you have prolonged exposure to these waste matter, then we can actually have the rash develop. All right. You also have other triggers for diaper rash, such as it may be from detergents or soap that they use to wash babies, or from some of the diaper materials babies may be allergic to them and develop a diaper rash.
A diaper rash may also result in fever, body aches and pains, and pus.
It can actually have an open sore to the ear, because sometimes the skin may be exposed, which can actually lead to systemic infection. Because if we have exposure of skin to stool and feces, the baby can actually develop what we call sepsis, so infection going into the blood, which can be actually be deadly for the baby.
Treatment depends on the severity of the condition.
To use a topical barrier method, such as ointment or other topical agent that prevents the feces from getting direct contact in the skin, should also aim to bathe the baby at least 2 times per day. We want to bathe the baby every day, but not too often to dry out the skin, right? And also, if, for example, give the baby some diaper-free times.
The doctor may recommend changes to the baby's diaper routine.
If the diaper does not absorb urine and stool efficiently, it tends to cause diaper rash more. However, some babies may be allergic or have a reaction to the material of the diaper. So in that case, different baby may react differently to different brands. So it's not as specific. It would have to be individualized for each baby.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.